Hello everyone. Welcome to Shadetree Coding. Shadetree mechanic is an old-timey phrase with no standard definition. It's also a show from the 90s. To me, the phrase refers to an auto mechanic who works outside under the shade of a tree with the tools at hand, rather than in a shop with a lot of fancy equipment. I liked the phrase, so I adapted it for my own use. Once I had settled on the name, I wanted to create a tree logo to go with it, using the Python turtle module. I wanted an image that was both algorithmic and organic. The turtle module is based on a programming language called Logo. The original logo used an actual physical robot that looked a little bit like a turtle and had a pen attached which could be used to draw designs onto a sheet of paper on the floor. The logo most people who have used Logo have used draws lines and curves onto a screen, as seen in this BBC Nova documentary.
In a London school, 7-year-olds use similar instructions to drive an imaginary turtle on a journey round the planets. FD for forward, RT for right turn. By combining forward and turns, they can send it anywhere they like.